Meaning of formic acid.
Formic acid.
Formic acid.
Formic acid.
Formic acid. Formic acid is a clear, colorless liquid with a pungent, penetrating odor. It is an organic acid and is the simplest carboxylic acid. Formic acid is widely used in various industries such as agriculture, textile, and leather. It is also used as a preservative and antibacterial agent in livestock feed. In addition, formic acid is commonly used in the production of dyes, rubber, and pharmaceuticals. However, it can be highly toxic if ingested or inhaled in large quantities and can cause serious harm to human health.